10.1, circles and circumference. And this chapter is talking about circles. Here we have circle F. We refer to a circle by its center point. And we have a radius, which is any point from the center to a point on the circle. And we have the center, which we talked about. A segment with endpoints that are at the center. And on a circle is a radius. A segment with endpoints on the circle, right, where we have both endpoints on the circle, like we do with AE, is a chord. A chord that passes through the circle center and is made up of collinear radii, right? So this here describes DB, where we have two radius that are collinear, that passes through the center F. And so DB is a diameter. All right, and so the first set of exercises tells us to refer to the radius, chord, and diameter in this circle O. And so the first one is to name the circle. And the way that we name the circle is we say circle with a center in it, right? And then the letter of its center. So in this case, it would be circle O. Name the radii of the circle. Well, we have quite a few of them. And remember, the radius is a point with endpoints at the center and on the circle. So here we have AO. Make sure you put your line above it. And then we have CO. We have DO and BO. And then one thing I didn't go over was actually, well, maybe I could talk about that later, but name chords of the circle. And remember, chords are a line that has both endpoints on the circle, right? But that doesn't pass through the radius, because although that is a chord, AB is a chord, we have a different name for that, right? That's a diameter. So a chord here would be CD. And then if we were asked for the diameter, that would be AB. And then just a couple things to note is that the radius, the length of DB, the length of DB, the radius would be FD, and FD is the diameter, which is DB, divided by 2. And alternatively, the diameter, DB, length, is the radius times 2. Right? Okie dokie. So anyhow, those are the example exercises, and now you're going to go ahead and answer some of these questions. I'll go over the answers in the next video.